Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. Today we're starting this video off by having a little historical review of the door panels in the Tesla Model 3. So originally the door panels were all solid, like most cars, and we didn't have any issues. Then one day we received a change when they started putting the wood inside of the door panels, extending the dashboards. So now, or then, earlier last year, we came up with an Alcantara cover. So then we realized people wanted carbon fiber. So then we came up with a carbon fiber ABS, hydro dipped, or water jet printed version. But again, this is a cap or an overlay that goes over the wood or the white. This, of course, was just a decal that would cover it up. So when we sold you a dashboard replacement, these were nice compliments. Then we came up with a real carbon fiber overlay. So this is dry molded carbon fiber. It fits right over the wood or the white door panel. It was pretty affordable. And again, with one of our nice dashboard replacements, it made a great option. Well, now we have something even better. No more caps to fit over the aluminum edges. Now we have a full-on replacement door panel piece. This is real dry molded carbon fiber. It's assembled by press fitting it the same way the dashboards are assembled by Tesla. We have it in the exact form, exact duplicate form. It goes right into the door panel. It snaps right in. There's no tools required to install it. And now you're not putting a cap over a piece of wood. You're not installing an overlay to fit over the wood. You're actually going to replace the door panel insert. So this is a carbon fiber door panel insert replacement piece. All carbon fiber and, of course, the chrome plated plastic that will match your car perfectly. Now we're going to show you more about it and how easily it installs and how, of course, it matches our beautiful dashboards as well, and the dashboard replacements. So we're going to sell these as a set of 3, and we're also going to sell them separately to people that might already own our dashboard replacements. Now we're going to show you our new simplified installation for the replacement carbon fiber door panel pieces. We're going to give you a squeegee and some fishing line, and watch how simple this is. First of all, depending on where this is sitting, you might need to use the squeegee. And what we're going to do is we're going to just put this piece of thick fishing line right underneath the wood piece. And this is great because you don't have to take your door apart. Pull the squeegee out, make sure there's room on top. And then we're going to run this up through this crack here. So that's going to go up there. And this one you're going to keep down low. And you just got to get it behind the panel. So whether or not you have a white panel or the wood panel, you're going to just feed it like this. Then you're going to give it a tug, a nice strong tug. And it's going to pop the whole panel right off the front of the door. The back is going to be hooked. So we're on here. You just hold it and pull like this. It snaps right out. Pull this like this. Take your carbon fiber piece. Notice it's dimensionally identical. Insert the carbon fiber end with the hook right here where the styrofoam is. So inside the door, we've got some of the styrofoam insulation. Just insert it just like this. Then lay it right inside. And all the tabs will line up perfect. You can notice from the top here what we're doing. We've got that tab going in, and all these are going in. Okay, now back to the front. And then it's just a simple snap. It's inserted the same way Tesla built this one. Isn't that great and simple and perfect? Thanks again for watching. They're in stock now. Full carbon fiber replacement door panels. No more caps, no more vinyl. And it sure looks great. Thanks for watching. If you leased your car and you ever want to take them out one day, it's the same process. Just feed it in, hold this fishing line strong in one hand and pull it out slowly and keep it down below. So you don't want to mess the carbon edges up, and then pull it just like this and don't break it, and remove the hook. Super simple, easy, installable, returnable, and you can always put it back to stock in case you're leasing the car. Line up the tap. Bingo! Thank you.